How to fix Soulland Awakening World is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, right click on the game and open up the properties. And in the launch options you will need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files tab and click on verify game files. Once this is completed you can close Steam and then you'll need to open up your browser and go to this link which is in the description below. Now you will need to install the redistributables, so download the 86 and the 64 installer. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do is check if you have the latest GPU driver updates. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you can use the NVIDIA app. And for AMD, you can run the AMD software. And from here, you will need to download and install the latest driver update. Next, all you need to do is run Steam as admin, right click and run as admin. And then open up the game from your library, and this should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.